Hi and welcome back to Twan's YouTube channel in this video series on how to use the Markia software. In today's video, you and I will learn how to add proxy ranges to assign IP addresses in the Markia software. As you may know, when you use Markia to spam Facebook or do marketing on this platform, you'll need to use a lot of Facebook accounts, sometimes up to 500 or even 1,000 different accounts. And rest assured, those accounts have already been introduced to very reputable suppliers by Jiang and Gokton. So now the question is, how can you assign proxies to those accounts? That might be something you don't know yet. So in today's video, Jiang Ngok will solve that for you. And to do that, first you need to access the Magitech Care software. And this is the main interface of the software that you see on the screen. Okay, and now to add a proxy list, you obviously need to have one, right? So here is a proxy list as you can see, and Rango Tool will copy this proxy list and then return to the Magitech Care software to guide you further. First, you need to look at the left corner of the screen where there is a section called Proxy Manager. Click on that. When you click here, it will give you a few options such as static, proxy or Diamish proxy. You should prioritize choosing static. Proxy Manager, guys. So it is highly recommended that you should prioritize choosing a static proxy manager because we will be utilizing those specific proxy ranges. Got it? You'll simply click right here, and this is the primary interface that will subsequently appear. To effectively add your desired proxy ranges, you'll need to perform the following steps. Step 1, carefully select this particular section and then proceed to click right here in Click on this option and a new window, much like this one, will prominently pop up. Then you will press Ctrl+V simultaneously to meticulously paste the proxy range in. Next, you'll carefully choose the host, the port, the username, and the password. Select this specific section and then click the Add button. Immediately after this action, your proxy range will be successfully and efficiently added to the software, and it will clearly display which country that particular proxy range genuinely belongs to. As you can clearly observe here, this specific proxy range originates from Vietnam. Got it? Next, in order to effectively assign these proxy ranges to your various Facebook accounts, you'll need to carefully select the desired proxy range by choosing it right here. If you happen to have many proxy ranges, you can conveniently select this option to choose all of them. If you wish to select only a portion, simply click on one, then hold down the Shift key and select the other end. It will automatically select the entire range for you. Got it? There. So here, let's just select one single range for demonstration purposes. And to effectively assign these chosen proxies to your Facebook accounts, you'll then choose the Assign Proxy section. Here, it will bring up an interface that looks exactly like this for you. The tool will meticulously guide you through all the necessary steps. The very first thing you absolutely need to do is to carefully select the specific proxy format you wish to assign. Step 2, you'll then need to carefully select the list that contains all the Facebook accounts you want to assign these proxies to. So now, let's proceed with the first step. You have the option to choose to assign each individual proxy to each individual account, or you can assign one single proxy to multiple accounts, or you can randomly assign proxies to various accounts, or you can automatically and evenly distribute all available proxies among all your accounts. Usually you should choose the last option here. It's the best one. Alright, after you've selected the last option, step 2 is to choose the category containing the Facebook accounts to which we will assign the proxies. Here, Jiang and you all have a dedicated folder containing 5 distinct Facebook accounts for you to effectively utilize. When you carefully select this particular folder, it will exclusively display only those Facebook accounts that have been meticulously organized and categorized based on your specific folder structure. So in this instance, we currently have these 5 individual accounts. You have the convenient option to select all 5 of these accounts simultaneously, all at once, just like this, or alternatively, you can meticulously choose them one by one, individually. Either method works perfectly well and is entirely acceptable. To efficiently save valuable time, we will proceed to select all 5 of these accounts right here, right now. Subsequently, you will need to click on the clearly labeled Assign Proceed button. Once you have successfully clicked on this button, of course, all of those previously mentioned proxies will be automatically and seamlessly assigned to these specific Facebook accounts. You can then confidently close the current window, and when you do so, you will immediately observe that 5 Facebook pages have been successfully assigned these powerful proxies, thereby making it significantly easier and more streamlined for you to manage them effectively. Now, let's navigate back to the Comprehensive Account Management section and carefully select the Facebook account folder once more. As you can clearly see here, the proxies have been successfully and completely assigned. Congratulations on thoroughly watching this entire comprehensive tutorial video on precisely how to assign proxies within this incredibly useful software, which ultimately serves your crucial marketing purposes on the vast and dynamic Facebook platform. I am truly very happy and genuinely pleased to have meticulously guided you on exactly how to use these powerful tools both effectively and with maximum efficiency. If you found this detailed video easy to understand and follow, please consider subscribing to Jiang Ngok's valuable channel. Make sure to turn on all notifications so you don't miss anything, and I will most certainly see you in the very next insightful tutorial videos. Goodbye for now, and see you again very soon.